Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Since the Surgeon General says alcohol puts us at risk for cancer, check this out. Remember when mocktail meant a sugary, brightly colored drink you'd order as an afterthought? Times have changed. Today, we're witnessing a revolution in the beverage world. It's no longer enough for a drink to be simply thirst-quenching. We want more. We demand functionality. Enter the Functional Mocktail. These aren't your average beverages. Functional mocktails are crafted with intention, blending delicious flavors with powerful ingredients that offer real health benefits. Think adaptogens to combat stress, antioxidants to fight free radicals, and nootropics to boost brain power. We're talking about drinks that not only taste good, but also make you feel good, inside and out. Imagine sipping on a refreshing concoction that not only hydrates you, but also supports your immune system. Or how about a vibrant mocktail that enhances your focus and clarity throughout the day? This is the promise of functional beverages, and it's a trend that's rapidly gaining momentum. In a world grappling with increasing stress levels and a desire for holistic wellness, functional mocktails offer a delicious and accessible way to nourish both body and mind. It's time to raise a glass to the future of beverages, one that's packed with flavor, functionality, and a whole lot of good vibes. So what exactly makes a mocktail functional? It's all about the ingredients. These beverages are carefully crafted with a specific purpose in mind, incorporating elements that go beyond basic hydration. Let's delve into some key health-boosting heroes you'll often find in these potent potions. Adaptogens. These powerful herbs and mushrooms, such as ashwagandha and reishi, help your body adapt to stress and promote a sense of calm. Imagine sipping on a drink that not only tastes delicious, but also helps you navigate the daily grind with more ease. Antioxidants. These vibrant compounds, found in abundance in berries, leafy greens, and spices like turmeric, are your body's defense against free radical damage. They help protect your cells from oxidative stress, promoting overall health and vitality. Nootropics. Looking for a cognitive boost? Nootropics, like lion's mane mushroom and ginkgo biloba, are known for their potential to enhance brain function, improve memory, and increase focus. Incorporate them into your mocktails for a delicious way to support your mental clarity. Prebiotics and probiotics. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, and functional mocktails often incorporate prebiotic-rich foods like bananas and asparagus, or probiotic powerhouses like kombucha and kefir. These ingredients help support a balanced gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mood. Why are functional mocktails taking off in 2025? The answer is a blend of factors. First off, people are more conscious than ever about what they're putting into their bodies. We're seeking out beverages that not only taste good, but also align with our health goals. Secondly, social media plays a massive role. Colorful, eye-catching mocktails are dominating our feeds, inspiring a new generation of health-conscious individuals to ditch the sugary drinks and embrace these flavorful alternatives. But it goes beyond aesthetics. The functional beverage movement is driven by a desire for holistic wellness. People are realizing that true health goes beyond just hitting the gym. It's about nourishing your body and mind from the inside out. Functional mocktails offer a fun, accessible way to incorporate healthy habits into our daily routines. They're customizable, Instagrammable, and most importantly, delicious. As we move towards a future that prioritizes both pleasure and well-being, it's no surprise that these innovative beverages are here to stay. Section 4. Crafting your own functional elixir. 2 recipes to get you started. Ready to experience the magic of functional mocktails firsthand? Here are 2 easy-to-make recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Recipe 1. The Zen Garden Stress-Busting Mocktail. Combine chilled chamomile tea, pineapple juice, lime juice, ashwagandha powder, and cinnamon. Shake with ice, strain into a glass, garnish with mint, and enjoy. Recipe 2. The Brain Boost Mocktail. Blend coconut water, blueberries, lemon juice, lion's mane powder, and ginger. Pour into a glass, garnish with a lemon wedge, and enjoy. Section 5. Join the functional mocktail movement. The world of functional beverages is ripe for exploration. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients, flavors, and combinations. Tap into your inner mixologist and let your creativity flow. Most importantly, share your creations with the world. Post pictures of your vibrant mocktails on social media, swap recipes with friends, And let's inspire each other to prioritize our health in delicious and innovative ways. Cheers to a future filled with flavorful, functional sips that nourish our bodies and elevate our well-being. Please let us know what your creative cocktail flavors are in the comments. And don't forget to like this video. If you found this content interesting, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.